You ain't nothing but a hound dog, you're crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Well, they said you was high class, well, that was just a lie. Yeah, they said you was high class, well, that was just a lie. Yeah, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Well, they said you was high class, well, that was just a lie. Yeah, they said you was high class, well, that was just a lie. Yeah, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Well, they said you was high class, well, that was just a lie. You know they said you was high class, well, that was just a lie. Yeah, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit, you ain't no friend of mine.
Get it out. Jump.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Get it, boy.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Well, the party was nice, the party was pumping. Hey, yippee-yi-yo, and everybody having a ball. I tell the fellas that the name calling. Hey, yippee-yi-yo, and the girls respond to the call. Hey, the poor dog shout out. Who let the dogs out? 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 I see a little speedboat in a park, cause she really wanna skip town. Get back off me, mash coffee. Get back, you flea-infested mongrel. Gonna tell myself I might not get angry. Hey, yippee-yi-yo, to any girls calling them K9. But they tell me ain't man part of the party. Hey, yippee-yi-yo, with a woman in front and a man behind. I heard a woman shout out, who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Right there, dummy.
A doggy is nothing if you don't have a bone. All doggy hold your bone, all doggy hold it. A doggy is nothing if you don't have a bone. All doggy hold your bone, all doggy hold it. Who let the dogs out?